Good morning, everyone. I hope the screen is visible. I am audible to you, and I am also visible to you. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome back after so many days. So let the students join. So I am just waiting here for 2 minutes. Then we'll start with a new chapter, Circle, which is very important for you, and it will include maximum marks in the next exam or periodic test. Good morning. Yes, Navan, I'm fine. I hope all of you are fine. So one more minute, I am waiting just for the students to join, then we'll start with the class. Make sure your video is on and be attentive during the chapter. Each and every question you need to understand in a very well manner. We'll start with the very basics. Aditya Basrija, I need to talk to you. Call me after 7 p.m. Okay, yeah. Okay, Sunana ma'am, I'll see that. Uh, I'll try to send you the solution of the question paper so that you can see where you were lacking and what were the mistakes. You can check that if you have any doubt in the questions. But today we are not wasting any time and we'll start directly with the syllabus as the circle chapter will take time to complete. Milan, you are not visible in the video. Okay. So here we are going to start with the definition part. We'll start discussing the definition. Okay. So the chapter name is circles. As you all know about circles, what is circle? Okay. But I know that many of you are not aware of the definition of circle, how to express in words that what is a circle. So starting with the basic definitions, start writing with me. Take out your notebook, put date, chapter name, chapter number, write definitions, and first of all, write circles. Whatever I am writing here, yes, we have to write all the definitions in fair notebook. Keep this in mind. I'll check that you have written definition or not. Important for you and will come in periodic test and in exam, the definition from circles. Okay, so you have to learn this also. Dennis, in the chat you have written definition, the spelling of the definition is wrong, and I don't know why students write the wrong spelling of definition. They write definition. It is not N-A-T-I-O-N, it is N-I-T-I-O-n. Yes, Raghav Gera has written the definition, that is correct. So a circle is the locus of a point. I'll explain you this. What is this? Which moves in a plane in such a way that its distance from a given point is always constant. What is this now? Let us make a circle. You also have to make a circle. If you do not have a compass right now with you, you can make it later, but make sure you have to make a circle. See, circle is only possible to draw if you have a center. Means if you are putting your compass, see this. See it carefully and try to understand this first of all. This screen in front of you is a plane, means a plane surface. That's it. The screen in front of you is a plane surface, and where I have drawn a circle from a fixed point. Fine. Here I have put my compass, and with the help of compass, I have drawn a circle. Fine. No. So what it is written? A circle is a locus of a point. What do you mean by locus? Locus means from where something originates, and the circle originates from this point. With the help of this point, we are able to make the circle. So it is written: a circle is a locus of a point which moves in a plane. What do you mean by plane? This plane surface. Okay, this plane surface I am talking about, the screen in front of you. So on this plane, I have made this circle. So which moves in a plane in such a way that its distance from the center is equal in every context. See this. Its distance from the center means the circle that we have made. If I am talking about this point on the circle, this point on the circle, this point, this or this, you can make unlimited points on this circle, but every point on the circle will be at the same distance from the center. So that's why it is said that its distance from a given point means this center is always constant. So the distance from the center is always constant if you will measure in a circle. A very basic thing that we all know, but I have written here a definition of this, and I have explained this so that you will be able to understand and you will be able to learn that. Okay, so we'll move further with the basic definition, that is radius. And this I know you all know. It's a line segment joining the center and the center and you can say any point on the circle. A line segment joining the center and any point on the circle is known as radius. And what is radius here? Let us draw a radius. Let the center be O and let this point be A. So just write here OA is the radius. After this, write chord. Yes, yes, Gunveer. Now chord. As we know that, let me draw first of all a chord here. So this line here is representing chord. Let it be D, C. So with the help of this figure, we'll be able to write the definition. So what is a chord? Chord is also a line segment that joins 2 points on a circle. Very easy. So a chord, some of the students are writing here the definition also. So, okay, that is correct. A chord is a line segment that joins 2 points on the circle. Okay, a chord is a line segment that joins 2 points on a circle. That's it. After this, the next, and you can write here that BC is the chord. Then fourth, diameter. So a diameter is a chord passing. Diameter is also a chord because diameter is also a line segment which joins 2 points on the circle. So let us draw first of all a diameter. So we will write here DE. So what is diameter? Diameter is a chord passing through the center of the circle. That's it. Yes, Vineet, possible. You can draw infinite radii and diameters in a circle. Okay. A diameter is a chord passing through the center of the circle. So DE is the diameter. So in the same way, you have to make the figure. You have to make the figure and give the same labeling and all, so that you will be able to write the. It was disconnected due to some network error. So it is connected again. I hope it is visible to you. Okay. Yeah. So Vanshika is right. Asking, sir, can we write diameter is the longest chord? Diameter is the longest chord, but that is not the definition. That you can call a feature, or one more way to express it. Okay. After this, one more, secant. So what is a secant? A line intersects a circle in 2 points. A line that intersects a circle in 2 distinct, means 2 different points. That's it. A line intersects a circle in 2 distinct points. For example, it's a line. It is not a line segment, so we have to draw a line. You should know what is line and line segment. So here, this E, F, and G. So this FG is secant. I hope it is clear. Only just few more definitions we'll write. Now one more that you should know. Tangent. A line that intersects the circle at one point. For example, I am making a tangent here. So a line that intersects a circle at one point, that is a tangent. So it passes from the outside and it just intersects a circle at only one point. So that's why G H, let it be H. So here let I J. So I have made all the things in one circle. So I J is the tangent intersecting at point H. Okay, so I J here is the tangent intersecting at point H. So this is the tangent of the circle. So these are some of the definitions, and we have some more. Okay, can you tell me one thing, some verbal uh, so a complete white screen is visible to you. Okay, just note it down, those who have not written till now. Note it down. Some students are saying, sir, let me write. Yes, Vineet, possible. Okay, done. Okay, now see this. This screen is just white in front of you, and this rectangular screen, let it be a plane. Plane means a plane surface. Clear? So on this plane surface, I am going to make a circle. This is just to explain you. Do not write it down. There is no need to write this. Dennis, I'll show the definition again. Just wait. So on this plane rectangular surface, I have made a circle with center O. So this plane surface is divided into three parts. This full plane screen in front of you is divided into three parts. Exterior of circle, interior of circle, and this is these points. This is on the circle. Yes, Sahib. You will get the video on YouTube tomorrow. So this full rectangular screen in front of you divided into three parts. First, interior of the circle. This portion is called as interior of the circle. If I'm talking about point R or point O, then they lie interior of the circle. If I'm talking about point Q, S, then Q and S are on the circle. If I'm talking about point X, Y, Z, A, B, so these all points are at the exterior of the circle. No, you have not to just draw this diagram. This is just easy. Just see it. You will be able to understand. If you want to make, you can make it roughly somewhere. But this I am talking about, that this is exterior. The outside part is exterior, and this is on the circle. The red line is representing on the circle, and inside this it is interior of the circle. This is just for the this is just the basic knowledge that you should know. I'm rubbing it. Is that clear? So we have not written any definition related to this. We have just discussed it. Fine. Now, few more things. These were the just basic definitions. Now moving on further. Write arc of a circle. Continuous piece of a circle is called arc of the circle. A continuous piece of a circle. Example, I'll explain you from here. See this. This FG, if you'll start from F and you will end at G, then this is known as arc of the circle. So arc of a circle means a continuous piece of circle. So this is a continuous piece of circle without any breakage in between. So it's a continuous line from F to G, and this is a part of a circle even. That's it. Okay. So we can write here FG is arc. Now you can even draw a line like this on FG to represent it as an arc, that FG is an arc. Okay. After this, after arc, you should know some more things. Okay, one more thing related to arc. Semicircle, that you know. Semicircle is also an arc. Semicircle is also an arc. Vanshika Bhutani is asking, sir, once again arc. Okay, you want me to explain you this. Okay. So arc means the part of a circle. See this. I am making a circle. Very poor. Wait. Okay. Now this is a circle which I have made full. Okay. And circle is possible with the help of arc only. See this. Suppose from the center, I am making this circle. Okay. I am making a circle from the center. See this. If I have not made a full circle, then this is only an arc. This is also 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 an arc. If I'll make it full, then it is a circle. Okay. So arc is just a part of a circle. Arc is just a part of a circle. So that's why we are saying that FG is a part of a circle. In the same way, BC is a part of a circle. In the same way, DE is a part of a circle. Okay, how many of you are saying that DE is a semicircle? DE is a semicircle. From D, B, H, E, this full. From D to E, or from here D to E. Yes. Okay. So DE is a semicircle. But if we will talk about arc, arc is also like this, from one point to another point, and it is a part of a circle. So semicircle is also a arc. So we'll write here in the definition of semicircle, a diameter of circle divides it into two equal arcs. So the way you have agreed on this, that yes sir, DE is an arc, but it is also a semicircle. Okay. And the same way from here also, DE is an arc, but it is also a semicircle, sir. So it means this diameter divides a circle into two equal arcs. So this side also there is an arc, this side also there is an arc. So these are two arcs, and we can say that these are two semicircles also. Kamalpreet, few more definitions are there. I even don't know how many. I am just explaining this. Okay, so here semicircle is DE. DE is semicircle. Okay, means DE semicircle means you can write like this: DFGE, full name. DFGE, so that there should not be any confusion. Is a semicircle. Now, after semicircle, few more things that I have to tell you. Yeah, right now, minor segment. Or you can write even only you can write segment. Don't write minor segment. Minor, major, I explain later. Segment of circle. Now write the region bounded by arc and a chord. So a region, a area between arc and a chord. So let us draw this. Now you need to draw another circle so that you'll be able to understand. So what we are talking about, arc and chord. Just concentrate here. Arc and a chord. Okay, so I'm making a chord here. So center is this O. So chord we have here. This, let it be AB. Okay, now see this arc and chord. Fine. So can we say that AB is an arc? Yes, and AB is a chord. If I'm talking about a line segment, then this line segment is a chord. And if I'm talking about like this, let it be point C here and let it be point D here, so that we can identify. So ACB is an arc and AB is a chord. So between this chord and between this arc, we have this segment of a circle. This area is known as segment. Okay, and one more thing. This area is also known as segment. This area is also a segment, and this area is also segment of a circle. Now, one area is bigger and one is smaller region. One is bigger region, one is smaller region. So smaller region is known as minor segment. This area I am talking about, area between the chord and arc. So here also we have a chord, and this side also ADB is also an arc. See this? ADB is an arc and AB is a chord. So between chord and arc, we have this green area which is known as major segment. Major Yeah, this smaller ACB is known as minor arc snake, and this ADB is known as major arc. So between major arc and chord, we have major segment, and between minor arc and chord, we have minor segment. So these are two which you should know, and I'll not explain this later. You should know it well in advance, because chapter will not be able to understand if you don't know these things. And this will help you in 10th also. In 10th also, we have chapters on this, two chapters related to this. It is categorized into minor and major segments. Now these definition I am not writing of minor and major, that you should know. The area between minor arc and chord, minor segment. The area between major arc and chord, major segment, that's it. So in place of chord you can write minor chord, in place of arc you can write minor arc or major arc, and you can write the definition. The region bounded by major arc and chord, or the bigger arc and chord, whatever. Now next. So we have few minutes left, so that let us complete the definitions. So segment is all clear. So you should know one more thing, sector. Sector of a circle. For this, you have to draw a circle again. These are important concepts. The region bounded by arc and the two radii. The region bounded by arc, the region bounded by arc and the two radii is called sector of a circle. Now let us make two radii first. The radius, as you should know that radius is a singular word, and radii we use for plural word. Okay, so radii is plural. When you're talking about two or more radius, then it means we're talking about more radius means radii. Okay, so I'm making here is the first radius, and here we have the second radius. Okay, so these are the two radii and this is the arc. It is very clearly visible. Let me name it. A, B is the arc, and O is the center, and AO and OB are the radii. So the region bounded by arc and the two radii is known as sector. So area bounded by two radii and minor arc is minor sector, and area bounded by two radii and major arc is major sector. The same way we have to explain here. So let it be point C, let it be point D. So this portion is major sector. Green portion is major sector. So this is major sector and this is minor sector. Yeah. So the smaller region is minor sector and the bigger region is major sector. Done. So we are done with these things. Now one more thing you should know. Quadrant of circle. So now we are not writing any definition. These are the 10 definitions only that we have to write. Then we have written that. You can note it down. Rest I am just discussing verbally. Now this is a circle with a center O, and here are the two diameters I have made. I'm making it this and one more. and these two diameters should be perpendicular on each other. So these two diameters should be perpendicular on each other. Now this is divided into 4 equal areas, and each of this area is known as quadrant. Each of this area is known as, or you can write here in a very easy way, quadrant of circle. 1/4 of a circle is called quadrant. That's it. So this is 1/4 part of a circle. Out of this 4, this is 1/4 part of the circle. This is known as quadrant. That's it. If you have not written anything, you can note it down from here. Yeah, you can see here Kamalpreet is asking for the first page. This is the first page, and after that the rest of the part is here. So we are done with all the definitions, and the lecture is also over. And we'll start with the theorems tomorrow, which are very important to understand this chapter. Again, I am saying do not miss the class, otherwise you'll not be able to understand the chapter, and it will go on for 2 weeks. It will take 2 weeks to complete the chapter. Okay then, bye.